Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al from the Palestinian schools in Doha, Qatar. Today I will explain to you Unit 16, Period 3 for the 7th grade, page 50. Let's get started. Exercise 1, page 50. Listen and repeat the words. In this exercise, I will play the words twice. First listen, then listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Allow. Another. Keep. Network. Receive. Revolution. Satellite. Several.
Good. Now listen and repeat.
Allow. Another. Keep. Network. Receive. Revolution. Satellite. Several.
Now let's take the words one by one in details. The first word is allow. Allow is a verb. It means to let someone do or have something or let something happen. The opposite of allow is prevent or prohibit. An example is, my parents wouldn't allow me to go to the party. My parents wouldn't allow me to go to the party. Another. Another is a determiner. Another is a determiner. It means different or other. An example is, I am going to have another cup of coffee. The next word is keep. Keep is a verb. It means to stay, to be, or to remain. An example is, keep in contact or keep in touch when you are out of town. The next word is network. Network is a noun. Look at this picture. This is a big network. Network means a system of lines, tubes, wires, etc. that cross each other and are connected to each other. You're listening to the BBC network. The next word is receive. Receive is a verb. Receive means to get something offered or sent. To get something offered or sent. The opposite of receive is send. An example is, all the children will receive a small gift. The next word is revolution. Revolution. Revolution is a noun. It means a great change. An example is, in the last 10 years, there has been a revolution in education. The next word is satellite. Satellite is a noun. Look at this very big thing in the sky. It is an example on satellite. Satellite is a machine that has been sent into space and goes around the Earth. An example is, this broadcast comes live via satellite from New York. The next word is several. Several is an adjective. Several means a number of people or things that is more than few but not a lot. An example is, several people have volunteered to go. Exercise 3 on page 50. Listen and read. Make a list of the ways to communicate in the passage. In this exercise, you will hear and read this passage Then mention the ways of communications which was mentioned in this passage. Look at the picture. What can you see? What's this? Yes, this is a home phone. The next picture, what's this? This is satellite mobile. The third one, it is clearly a mobile phone. And finally, this is a picture of desktop computer to make video calls. I'll now play the audio, listen carefully, and write the ways of communications which were mentioned in this passage. Are you ready?
Palestinian people live all over the world. However, modern communications allow us to keep in contact. 150 years ago, there were no phones and no email. It took weeks to send a letter to another country, and then it took several weeks to receive an answer. The telephone changed that. The mobile phone allowed a second revolution in communications. Millions of people are now on the world's telephone network. With a modern mobile phone, they can talk, send text messages, send or receive emails, or use the internet. However, the mobile phone network does not work at the top of mountains or out at sea. Sometimes it won't work outside of towns and cities. Satellite phones use satellites in outer space, so they will work anywhere. Video calls bring people's faces into our home. These use the internet, so all we need to do is put a small camera and a microphone on a computer.
Good. Now I want you to make a list of the ways to communicate from the passage. I'll give you some time to think and write the answers. Have you finished? Okay. Let's say them one by one. The first method is letter. Very good. Writing letters. The second one, telephone. Number 3, mobile phone. Number 4, talking with people. 5, text messages. 6, emails. 7, the internet. 8, satellite phones. And finally, video calls. Well done. Exercise 4 on page 50. Read and tick the true sentences, then correct the false ones. Here you have 3 sentences about the passage. Let's first read them one by one, then I'll give you some time to write the answers. 1. The first revolution in communications was the mobile phone. 2. Mobile phones will work anywhere. 3. Satellite phones don't use the mobile phone network. Have you finished? Let's check. 1. The first revolution in communications was the mobile phone. No, it is false. What's the correct answer? The first revolution in communications was the telephone, not the mobile phone. Or the second revolution in communications was the mobile phone. Also true. Number 2. Mobile phones will work anywhere. What do you think? Of course false. Why? Because mobile phones will not work anywhere. Or you can say satellite phones will work anywhere. Number 3. Satellite phones don't use the mobile phone network. What do you think? Of course true. Question number 5. Read and answer the questions. Here you have 2 questions about the passage. Let's first read them. 1. What do people use their mobile phones for? 2. What do you need to make a video call? Okay, I'll give you some time to find the answers. Have you finished? Good. Number 1. What do people use their mobile phones for? To talk, send text messages, send or receive emails, and use the internet. Number 2, what do you need to make a video call? A computer, the internet, a small camera, and a microphone. Now get from the passage the synonym of stay, different, and great change. What is the synonym of stay? Yes, keep. Keep is the synonym of stay. What is the synonym of different? Another. Another is the synonym of different. And the last one, great change. Yes, revolution. Revolution is the synonym of great change. Now find out the opposite of send and prevent. What is the opposite of send? Receive. Receive is the opposite of send. And what is the opposite of prevent? Allow. Good. Now the underlined pronoun refers to. This is the underlined pronoun, it. Let's read the sentence before it. However, the mobile phone network doesn't work at the top of mountains or out at sea. Sometimes it won't work outside towns. Have you found the answer? So it refers to mobile phones. Very good. Okay, my students, I hope that you enjoyed and understood the lesson. See you soon in a new lesson. Thank you very much.